Ever wondered what it's like to be a software developer? Here's an interesting fact. Developers write about 10 lines of codes per hour on average. It may sound low, but software development is more about problem solving, planning, testing, and debugging than just typing code. If you are ready to kickstart your career in one of the fastest growing fields, ABM College Software Development Diploma program could be the perfect opportunity for you. This 56-week course is designed to provide you with the knowledge, skills, and real-world experience to thrive in the tech industry. Let's take a closer look at what you'll gain from this program. ABM College Software Development Diploma program is a comprehensive course that covers everything you need to succeed. Throughout the program, you'll learn industry standards and procedures, web development, network and design fundamentals, and key scripting languages. Plus, you'll have the chance to put your learning into practice during a 4-week practicum where you'll work in a real-world software development environment. Let's explore the core features of Software Development Diploma program and what you'll be learning. In this program, you'll develop the skills to create interactive, industry-standard software and applications. From designing dynamic web pages to incorporating CSS animations, you'll be able to create stunning projects that stand out. You'll also master core programming languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, C, C++, C#, and many more. By the end of the course, you'll be fluent in writing, editing, and debugging code with confidence. In addition to coding, you'll learn the fundamentals of user experience and user interface design. This ensures your applications are not only functional, but also user-friendly and visually appealing. Database management is another critical aspect of the program. You'll learn how to design optimized databases and work with SQL to effectively manage and retrieve data. Cloud computing is becoming an essential skill for any software developer. And in this program, you'll explore cloud solutions like Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services to manage and deploy applications. The Software Development Diploma program is designed to give you the hands-on experience and problem-solving skills needed to enter one of the quickest growing career paths in Canada. As a graduate, you'll be prepared for a variety of exciting roles, including software developer, computer programmer, database administrator, software development engineer, system analyst, and web technician. The best part, this program is flexible. It offered online, in-person, and in blended format, so you can choose the option that works best for your lifestyle. Classes are held in the evening, making it easier to balance work, school, and life. So if you're ready to jump into tech world and build a rewarding career, the Software Development Diploma program at ABM College is a perfect place to start. Apply today and get ready for an exciting journey. For more information or to apply, visit our website at abmcollege.com. We are looking forward to help you achieve your goal.